Hi everyone! Welcome back to Filipina Landlord in America YouTube channel. Do you ever feel like you're constantly busy but not actually productive? Like no matter how much you work, there's always more to do. Well, what if I told you there's a smarter way to work by making a few powerful, what-I'm decisions that can skyrocket your productivity and completely transform your life? In today's video, we're diving into 15 tips life-changing decisions that eliminate distractions, streamline your workflow, and free up your energy for what truly matters. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that ties it all together. Let's get started. 15 what-I'm decisions that skyrocket your productivity, a blueprint for 100 times results. Boosting productivity is not just about daily habits or incremental changes, it's about making strategic, what-I'm decisions that eliminate friction, set up sustainable systems, and free your mind for high-impact work. Here are 15 transformative choices you can make today to unlock exponential productivity. Number 1. Create a dedicated workspace. Dedicated workspace signals to your brain that it's time to work. Choose a spot with minimal distractions, good lighting, and ergonomic furniture. Add productivity-enhancing tools like dual monitors, noise-canceling headphones, and a reliable internet connection. Organize it to reduce clutter and optimize functionality. Avoid using this space for anything unrelated to work, as this association helps you focus effortlessly whenever you're there. Number 2. Set up digital boundaries. Digital distractions are productivity killers. Make a what-I'm decision to block distracting apps and websites using tools like Freedom, Cold Turkey, or Focus Mode. Turn off non-essential notifications and schedule times for email or social media. This proactive measure creates a distraction-free digital environment, allowing you to focus on deep work without constant interruptions. Number 3. Choose your daily prioritization system. Select a method for prioritizing tasks, such as the Eisenhower Matrix Urgent versus Important or the Ivy Lee method Top 6 Tasks Daily. Commit to using it consistently. This eliminates the daily decision-making burden of figuring out what to tackle first. When your priorities are clear, you can spend more energy executing tasks rather than deciding which to start. Number 4. Automate recurring tasks. Identify repetitive tasks that drain your time, like sending reminders, sorting emails, or setting appointments, and automate them using tools like Zapier or IFTTT. For example, you can create automations to log receipts in a spreadsheet or schedule recurring calendar events. This what-I'm setup liberates hours every week and reduces the risk of forgetting essential tasks. Number 5. Decide on a morning routine. Your morning routine sets the tone for your day. Choose activities that energize and prepare you for peak performance, such as meditation, a workout, or planning your priorities. For example, a 30-minute routine could include stretching, journaling, and reviewing your to-do list. By cementing this routine, you avoid starting your day in chaos and build momentum for productivity. Number 6. Curate a go-to learning system. Learning is key to growth, but the overwhelm of too many resources can stall progress. Decide on a primary learning platform like Udemy for courses or Audible for audiobooks. Align your choices with your career or personal growth goals. Having a reliable system eliminates decision fatigue and ensures consistent skill development over time. Number 7. Build a default decision framework. We waste time on decisions that could be automated through predefined rules. Create a framework for recurring scenarios, such as, if a task takes less than 2 minutes, I'll do it immediately, or I'll only attend meetings with a set agenda. These rules streamline decision-making, leaving you more mental energy for creative and strategic work. Number 8. Declutter and digitize your life. A physical and digital clutter slows you down. Make a what-I'm decision to declutter your space and organize it for efficiency. For digital clutter, establish folder structures, use cloud storage, and delete unnecessary files. Tools like Evernote or OneNote can help digitize paper documents. This decluttering process makes everything accessible and reduces wasted time searching for things. Number 9. Commit to a single productivity tool. Jumping between productivity tools can be counterproductive. Pick one that suits your needs, like Notion, Asana, or Trello, and invest time to master it. Standardizing your workflow within one tool ensures consistency and eliminates the inefficiency of switching between platforms. Number 10. Pre-plan energy-boosting meals. Nutrition plays a significant role in productivity. Commit to meal prepping or subscribing to a healthy meal delivery service. Plan meals that sustain energy, avoiding heavy, carb-laden lunches that cause midday slumps. By deciding on your meals in advance, you avoid daily decisions and maintain steady energy levels throughout your workday. Number 11. Outsource low-value tasks. Your time is a finite resource. Identify tasks that don't require your unique skills, like cleaning, grocery shopping, or basic admin work, and outsource them. Platforms like Fiverr or TaskRabbit can connect you with affordable help. By offloading these tasks, you free up time to focus on high-impact activities that align with your goals. Number 12. Define a personal mission statement. Your mission statement is your North Star. Take time to reflect and articulate your core purpose, whether it's to build a business, serve others, or pursue personal growth. This statement becomes a filter for your decisions, ensuring you focus only on tasks and opportunities aligned with your values and long-term vision. Number 13. Choose a uniform approach. Simplify your wardrobe to reduce decision fatigue. Adopt a work uniform or a capsule wardrobe of versatile, timeless pieces. For example, tech leaders like Steve Jobs famously wore similar outfits daily to conserve mental energy for more important decisions. This small change frees up brain power for critical tasks. Number 14. Invest in skill multipliers. Set any one or two skills that offer exponential returns, such as public speaking, coding, or writing. Invest in mastering these skills through courses, coaching, or deliberate practice. These skills act as force multipliers, boosting your effectiveness in multiple areas of your personal and professional life. Lastly, number 15. Establish non-negotiable downtime. Rest is vital for sustainable productivity. Decide to schedule and protect your downtime, whether it's a daily break, weekly day off, or annual vacation. Treat these moments as non-negotiable, sacred time to recharge. Regular rest enhances creativity, problem-solving, and overall performance, ensuring you can operate at your best over the long term. In conclusion, these 15 what-I'm decisions are foundational shifts that amplify productivity and reduce daily stress. While each requires upfront effort, the cumulative effect can transform your life, allowing you to focus on high-value tasks and achieve your goals with clarity and confidence. And there you have it, 15 tips what-I'm decisions that skyrocket your productivity. A blueprint for 100 times results. Which one of these decisions resonates most with you? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to take your productivity to the next level, don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, Filipina Landlord in America, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips. Remember, productivity isn't about doing more, it's about doing what matters. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.